Hello everyone, today's menu will be oyster sauce ginger wings. You can eat them as is or with jasmine rice for a full meal. So if you're ready, let's get baking. Make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. In a large bowl with chicken wings, you can go ahead and cut them into flats and drumettes, or you could just leave them whole. And then I'm just going to add in some oyster sauce. And then some Sriracha sauce. If you don't have Sriracha, you can add hot sauce or just omit it. This just gives it a kick of spiciness. And then some freshly grated ginger. You can use ginger powder if you wish. And then some garlic powder, some salt, and then some black pepper. And then with clean hands, go ahead and just give them all a good massage. This will take a minute or two. Now that the chicken wings are all nicely massaged, I'm just gonna grab the chicken wings tips and just fold it right behind the drummet. And then you'll just want to continue the process until all of the chicken wings are folded like a triangle. With the baking sheet lined with parchment paper, place the wings flat and give them a little space in between each other. I'm going to bake them for about 30 minutes and then flip, and then broil for about 4 minutes each side. Here is the end results of the oyster sauce ginger wings. I hope you will give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!